So, Quinn, attempt number 3, guys. Attempt number 3. Quinn, who do you think's gonna fall off this time?
I think it's Trisha this time.
Still Trisha? I think it's Trisha. We saw her sliding around in the other time, so we're gonna see.
They both look fatigued.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm gonna ask you guys is if you see boats coming up someplace that I may not be able to see, if you see me getting close to somebody or somebody coming close to me, make sure you tell me, okay?
You got it. So attempt number 3, guys.
I can see most, but I can't see everything.
Ready? Let's go to the action. Oh, we lost both of them.
That was good.
Oh, man.
That was really...
You got that one, Alex? That's a good one.
Okay, so who fell off first?
Luis.
Luis, we lost our bet. Oh, darn. Next time, guys. Smile, Dad.
Hey.